Okay, so let's look at back up, beef up, and believe in. So back up to help someone, to be there for their side, like reinforcements or an alternative. I need to back up my phone's data. I have a backup of all the videos offline. We are going to back you up in the fight. Yes. Beef up, make something stronger. I go to the gym to beef up every day. We need to beef up the security. They are going to beef up the defences, you know. She will beef up her muscles, her diet. They want to beef up the structure, the foundation. It's too weak. And believe in, to have hope for something and think it can work. I believe in my ideas. I believe in your dreams. I believe in you. I believe in what you said last night. I believe it. Yes, it's true. It has to be. I strongly agree with you. What do you think about going to Spain? I believe in your idea in going to Spain. I believe that it will be fun. I believe in the idea of travelling. Yes. How cool is that? So back up to help something or someone, create an alternative. We have a backup ready on a phone call. Beef up to make something stronger. Believe in, to have hope of something and think it can work. I believe in your idea. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.